Magandang araw po at magandang gabi sa mga nakakapanood sa gabi at sa lahat po ng naabot ng video nito. Welcome po dito sa ANB o Avoy Mix Videos. Ngayon po ay in-announce na po ni Donald Trump yung bagong barko na pinagmamalaki niya sa Amerika. Para malaman po at maintindihan natin maigi, panoorin po natin itong video mula sa 9 News Australia. So, i-play na po natin at bigyan po natin ito ng ating reaction. Ano po kaya ang mga karakteristik ng barkong ito at mga kakayanan? Ito po.
The US President has announced a new ship for the Navy, and it's named after himself. The Trump-class battleship coming against a backdrop of tensions in the Caribbean and pressure campaign on Venezuela. Washington correspondent Lauren Tomazi has the details.
So, ang tawag po pala ay Class Trump Battleship. Talagang ipinangalan niya sa kanya. So, ibig sabihin, maganda ho talaga ang pagkakagawa nito at alam nating metikuloso tong si Donald Trump. So, tuloy natin ang video.
The Trump-class USS Defiant. That's the new battleship announced by the US President Donald Trump, naming the new naval vessel after himself.
New Golden Fleet, we're calling it the Golden Fleet. Each one of these will be the largest battleship in the history of our country, the largest battleship in the history of the world ever built.
So, base sa sabi niya, hindi lang isang barko to, fleet to, marami. At kada barko po sa fleet na yon ay sinasabing pinakamalalaking barko sa buong mundo o sa history na ginawa ng barko. Ang alam ko kasi yung USS Iowa, yun yung mga malalaking barko, tsaka yung New Jersey, at yung Yamato na barko ng Japan, yung battleship, isa rin po yan sa pinakamalaking barko ng World War II. Maaaring itong mga barko na sinasabi sa Golden Fleet, tawagin ito ay Golden Fleet, ay mas malaki pa sa mga barko na yon. Sige po, tingnan natin ulit.
Side by side with the Pentagon chief and the Secretary of the Navy, Donald Trump announcing a new era on the water. 2 ships to begin with, 20 to 25 warships in total. Renderings show an image of the US President.
So, ang dami, 20 to 25 battleship o warship doon sa kapaloob sa Golden Fleet, At napakahihiganting barko po nito. Ito po yung sa commercial, sa video, yung nakikita nyo na yan, Yan po yung mukhang itsura nung tinatawag nila Trump-class battleship.
US President with his fist in the air taking center stage on the vessel, which the US President says will be armed with guns, missiles, hypersonic weapons, and laser beams.
We have lasers where you aim the laser at a target, it just wipes it out. We're going to have, there'll be the most sophisticated lasers in the world and the most sophisticated laser in the world.
So, wow, Wow talaga, Most sophisticated laser in the world. So, hindi yan ikakabit sa battleship kung yan ay palpak, So, ito ay tested at very effective po. Yung tinatawag nila, bagong fleet po ito, Hindi bagong ship na, hindi isang bagong barko lang, bagong fleet. Napakarami po nito. Sabi nga, 20 to 25, Yun ba yung sabi, So, ganun karami yung bilang. Tuloy natin ulit.
We'll be on the battleships that we're building.
We'll have a new leg in America's nuclear deterrence because the Trump-class battleship will carry the nuclear-armed sea-launched cruise missile.
The announcement of more warships coming at a time when the US Navy has bolstered its presence and assets in the Caribbean and as tensions soar with Venezuela. Today,
So, very deadly po itong nilang Golden Fleet, Kayang mag-carry nito ng mga missile na may nuclear warhead, So, hindi pa talagang ipinakita ngayon, kung ano yung itsura. So, yung kanina kasi parang poster lang yun, Hindi pa pinakita yung itsura pero in-announce. Ang hindi ko lang alam kung ito ba'y tapos na or ilalabas na sa mga araw na ito.
The United
Today,
States
the
in
United
active
States in
pursuit of an
active
oil
pursuit
tanker
of an
near
oil tanker
Venezuela
near
as the Trump
Venezuela, as the Trump
administration's crackdown on the country's oil industry ramps up.
ramps
The
up.
vessel had
The
been
vessel
bound
had
for
been
Venezuela
bound
to
for
pick up
Venezuela to
crude
pick
oil.
up crude
It
oil.
refused to be
It
boarded
refused
by
to be
US
boarded
Coast
by
Guard
US Coast
officers,
Guard officers, instead turning around and fleeing.
It's now the third time in less than 2 weeks that the Trump administration is going after tankers linked to Venezuela, whose oil industries is lifeblood. It's now been cut off.
As tensions with the country grow, Donald Trump has now suggested or outright threatened to launch a ground invasion of the country more than a dozen times.
Yan po, no, yung balita. At sa iba ho, makikita nyo, sinabi pa po ni Donald Trump doon na itong bagong barko na ipinangalan sa kanya ay 100 times more powerful doon sa pinakamalakas na barko, no, compare doon sa pinakamalakas na barko na umiiral ngayon, no. Ganun siya ka-powerful. At hindi ito nag-iisa, isang fleet po ito ng mga giant ship. At pinakamabilis na rin, no. Sabi niya kasi doon sa ibang balita, hindi lang 100 times more powerful, ito rin po ang pinakamabilis na barko ngayon, itong battleship na to. At yun nga, laser guided po ito, no, at missile guided na kayang mag-carry ng nuclear, kaya nga nuclear deterrent po siya, no. So yun po, no, alam naman natin na may gera ang Amerika dito sa Venezuela dahil dun sa tinatawag na drug cartel, ano. So isa yon sa pinaghahandaan ni Donald Trump na maaaring gamitin niya itong Golden Fleet na ito. Hope so itong Golden Fleet na ito ay makarating at mapasyal din dito sa West Philippine Sea, no, nang makita natin itong galing ng mga barko na ito na sinasabing laser, no, laser guided. Ibig sabihin, hindi ito basta laser lang na, ito yung laser na kayang tumunaw ng mga sasakyan na panghimpapawid. So yun po, no, yun lang yung nakita natin sa balita mula dito sa 9 News Australia. So hanggang dito na lang po at maraming salamat po. Inatid lang po natin yung balitang ito sa inyo na in-announce mismo ng Pangulo ng Amerika na si Donald Trump. Maraming salamat po.